Pant trouser cut, an easy method with measurements. This is size medium. Watch full video to understand all measurements. My trouser length is 37. I will take 41 inches length, 2 inches for folding waistband and 2 inches for folding bottom. Now mark 2 inches for waistband. Measure the length and mark it. Mark ½ inch from leg side, mark it on full length. Mark 12.5 inches from the waistband and 12.5 inches from the leg side and make a box. Thigh size is 15 inches. Mark crotch line. Now put the measurement on where you mark 15 inches for thigh and half it at 7.5 inches and mark it. Measure from leg side edge to half of 15 inches and check it should be 8 inches. Mark 8 inches on full length of trouser and make a straight line. This line will help you with measure the bottom. Put your measurement on half of line and mark bottom size. I take 8 inches for bottom. Now mark from bottom measurement to crotch line, and also the leg side edge. Cut it carefully. This will be your front side of trouser. Don't move the front side fabric. It will help you to mark on back side. Mark on thigh, on waistband and the bottom. Take 2 inches from the crotch line to increase backside. 1 inch from waistband. It's up to you how much you want to increase. For me it is enough. From bottom I mark on 1.5 inches. Now mark the final marks and cut the backside. For backside I take 2.5 inches from crotch line and cut it. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and share my channel.